welcome back to the vlog. In today's portion of the vlog, I'm going to show you guys me doing a reel. You guys have seen me do reels plenty of times, so this is nothing new for y'all unless you're new to my channel. So welcome, my name is BerryFae. I'm creating a get ready with me reel with just doing my outfit, because I already did my hair and my makeup. If you haven't seen this, it's because you're not following me on Instagram. I just uploaded this hair tutorial. My curls are dropping just a little bit, but whatever, it's fine. Anywho, I am on the PR list for Armani Beauty for Giorgio Armani, so I figured why not merge that together with the video I was going to do anyways today, since my box came today. And in the box is a perfume. So yeah, I already have the perfume, believe it or not, but they sent me another one, so I have to make a video unboxing and using the perfume for my followers. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So I'm just gonna do a little get ready with me type video, and then the last thing is gonna be adding a fragrance to top off the look. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So let's go ahead and get to it. And make sure my head isn't cut off on the reel. I've been wanting to wear this for a while. But this goes so perfectly with my hair. Alright, let me go check the footage. Alright, so the video was a little blurry, so we are starting over. How would be going. My head was cut off just a little bit. I need to stand right here. I need to stand in front of the orange shoes so I'm not cut off. Perfect. All right, so now that it's perfect, I can kind of move on a little quicker now. Just got to make sure I stand in the same spot. This is a little Skims. It's my first time wearing their shapewear, and yeah, it's pretty nice. Just put this on. Hello?
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
You been cute. I'm not.
Girl, you know I have to make videos. I actually have to make I was making a video for this company, Armani Beauty Girl.
Oh. You getting ready for the baby shower?
Yeah, I'm finishing the video, but yeah, I'm gonna wear this, just a regular dress.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you on the dress in it.
Yeah.
I want to know, right? You gonna come by here?
I thought we said that already. Okay, got the earrings on there. So here's the finished look. As you can see, it's so hard to get the full thing, but I gotta go, y'all. If you really want to see how I put this together, you gotta follow me on Instagram at BerryFae19. Okay, bye.